Firstly, a big thank you for finding classicmopedspares.com. I really hope this short video will be able to help you be able to find the parts that you need to fix your bike. Now, I always say to people, if you're going to restore a bike, best place to start is with a manual. These can be invaluable. If you haven't got one already, a paper copy, then you can pick these up from motorbikemanual.com, where you may be able to download them to your PC. There's quite a range on there. I don't have everything, but I do have quite a few. Once you've got your manual, if it's a download copy, you should get something like this with images, and it will have parts on it. So find what you need. So for example, this is a clutch. Now let's say we want to replace 17251, okay? Which is this cover here. We then go to Classic Moped Spares. We can type 17251 in here, and we're presented with a number of options. Now that bike we were looking at was a Moped AV42, so we can click on here, have a good read of the description. There may be a video in here, which actually there is. Go back to the Classic Moped Spares website, make sure I'm happy with what I'm buying, and then add it to the cart. Now, as I've been fiddling around, I've got a couple of things in the cart that I might not want. So I'll just check that I've got everything that I need. And let's say we're just going to buy this clutch cover. It's actually the clutch cover, not the clutch, sorry. We can then put in details of the county and our postcode, and it will give us a price on what it would cost to ship. Everything goes tracked. When I'm happy with the total, I'll click on PayPal. Note these are just images, although we do take these cards. Click on the PayPal link, then you'll be presented with this screen. If you want to pay by PayPal, put in your email address and the password and log in, or if you want to just pay by your debit card or credit card, then you may pay that way. If you ever want to get back to the home page on Classic Moped Spares, you can click the logo and it will take you back to the home page. Another way of searching is you can just type in some words. So if you want to type in fuel tap, you'll be presented with a number of fuel taps, and you can just scroll down through. You can also use the drop down menus to have a look. There's quite a lot of interesting things on here. You can then go back to the home page. If you want to use this filter, then you can use a drop down menu. Although, because we have now got so many parts, this is becoming a bit unwieldy, I'll be honest with you, so it may not be the easiest way in terms of searching rather than using this box, but you can try it if you want. So this will find the bits for the Moped AV40 regarding the engine. Don't forget to reset the filter if you're going to try for another bike, and don't forget to go back to the home page as well. Thank you ever so much for watching. I really hope this video helps you be able to use our website and be able to find the parts you need. If you can't find the parts you need, there is always the contact us button. You can click on here, send us a message, and I will try to respond within a few days. Thank you very much.